is extra. Come see the Impreza at Subaru Montreal, 4900 Barre, east of the Orange Julo. Subaru Montreal, your Montreal Subaru dealer. Need cash? For personal loans, mortgages, debt consolidation, North Star Brokers will not let you down. Pay off bills, emergencies, renovation, vacation, good and bad credit accepted, no upfront fees. North Star Brokers, 514-344-1499 or northstarbrokers.ca.
Guys, official office parties usually suck. If you really want a party to score big, book now at Stogie Cigar Lounge. Entertain 6 to 30 of your friends, clients, or serve a private group. Stogie Cigar Lounge offers huge comfort, big screens, plus the largest collection of single malts, including some of the city's
How do you want to turn it off, okay?
Because you can. At Stogie's, Montreal's premier cigar lounge. Crescent Street, corner de Maisonneuve. Buying contact lenses?
Now I turn it off.
ContactLensKing.com. Just
Okay.
choose your brand,
Oh, no.
fill in your prescription, and have your new lenses delivered right to your door. That's it. Save up to 70% on Air Optics, AccuView, Haley's, and more.